Hi, how are you? We're going to draw lily flower today. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw a line from the top, which looks like this. Then we draw another line like this one. Let's draw another line like this one. All right. So these are like a combination of lines. You'll find a pattern here. Now we connect. You see, it has become a nice flower. All right. Let's draw few extended lines like this to the middle. Make it bold and dark. All right. Okay, we can draw the bottom part like this. All right, so extend the line up to the down here. All right, we can draw two leaves here. This leaves is on the right side. This is on the left side. So few details we can do on the petals. Let's draw the darker lines along the petals like this. Here, this is the darker line. Also another one here. So each petal has a darker line in the middle. This is in the middle. Alright, this is in the middle, as you can see here. Alright, let's put few lines from here. See, the drawing is becoming nice. This is the detailing, as you see here. All right, and another color shade from the top. Let's do the color shape from the top. All right, so almost done. The 5 petals is completed, only the last petal. You can put the green at the bottom. The line is green too. All right, this is the base. Let's put the green here. To the leaves. And the light green along the leaves. Okay, so it looks nice. I hope you like the video. The drawing looks detailed. All right, please do the practice. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.